This is the all-new, all-electric Mercedes-Benz G580. And what they've done is they've said, out with the neighbor awakening V8 and in with 4 new electric motors. The question is this: is it still a bona fide G-Wagon?
I suppose the G-Wagon has always been some sort of a contradiction, a military tool that turned luxury icon with some innate 4x4 ability that made it one of the most desirable cars on the planet, certainly one of the coolest cars, Mzansi. And now, yes, it's electric, and don't get it wrong, it still fits the G-Wagon brief. It still climbs and covers gravel within velvet glove luxury. Anything the G63 can do, this does too. And in some respects, even better. And it's quite surprising how different it feels to the G63. There's no thunderous V8 soundtrack, no antisocial cold starts. Instead, what you get is just refinement and capability. And it doesn't come at the cost of anything else either. We managed 420 kilometers on a single charge, and that was still with 9% battery left. That's more than you'll get on a full tank in a G63. Just keep that in mind. So yeah, Merc softened the edges, made it feel more futuristic, less aggressive, but still unmistakably G, and stupendously quick. 0 to 100, 4.6 seconds. 423 kilowatts and 1,164 Newton meters, thanks to an electric motor at each wheel. And of course, in addition, this adds the famous party trick. Merc calls it the G-turn. Allow us to show you.
That is cool. Yes.
Yep, 4 electric motors allow the car to rotate on the spot, tank turn style, and honestly, the coolest feature of 2025 by a mile. Mercedes will tell you that it's for off-roading and tight trails, tricky maneuvers, but no, let's be honest, it's just for showing off, and it works, the showing off bit. So yes, the G is still the G, even in electric form. My only gripe, that kind of suitcase-looking box on the back for the charging cables. I get it, it's practical, it's functional for what it is, but what happened to the spare wheel? That's part of the G-Wagon's cut, its visual signature. Take that away and, I don't know, it just seems slightly off. But anyway, as an electric interpretation of what is truly an icon, this car works far better than I ever expected. It's quieter, it's smarter, it's more refined. And while it may lose some of the noise and even the street cred of the G63, it gains something else entirely. A quiet confidence.